Many people ask a very interesting question. Why do scientists use albino rats so much in research? Why not black rats? Why not brown rats, or even, any other kind of animals altogether? Well, today I want to explain very clearly and simply why albino rats became the most preferred specimens in science, and what makes them so special compared to other rats and animals. Well, I have 6 reasons that I'm going to give you, but they're quite a number, but I'm going to mainly focus on 6. And the first reason is albino rats are genetically uniform. They have that genetic uniformity with them. Albino rats used in laboratories are often bred to be genetically very similar. Well, this means that when scientists test a drug or treatment, differences in results are not caused by the genetics but by the experiment itself. Reason number 2, the temperament and handling. Albino rats are generally calmer and easier to handle than wild or colored rats. Well, this is extremely important in science because stress changes an animal's body. Stress affects the hormones, it affects immunity and even brain function. So, a stressed animal gives incorrect or misleading data. And albino rats, they easily adapt well to handling, making experiments more accurate and ethical. In short term, or, calm animals at their best produce reliable science. My third reason is about the visibility. And when I talk about visibility, we are talking the white fur. Why does it matter? Well, it matters because scientists can easily observe blood vessels. Not only the white fur but also their pink skin. Here, they easily observe the blood vessels. They can easily observe the wounds, swellings, or any kind of infections, or even change in skin color. But when you look at the dark rats or the brown rats, many of these changes are hard to see. And in science, what you cannot see clearly, you cannot measure accurately. Fourth reason is reproduction and availability. Well, albino rats also reproduce quickly and reliably. They mature fast, give birth to many pups, and they care well for their young. This allows scientists to study multiple generations and conduct large studies without constantly sourcing new animals. The fifth reason is the well-studied biology, the data that backs up all this, like the data that has been collected over years. Albino rats are among the most studied animals in the world. So scientists already understand their organs, they understand their brains, the diseases, and the life cycles very well. Well, this makes research faster, safer, and more accurate. Well, new studies can build on old knowledge instead of starting from scratch. The last reason, which is the 6th reason, it's about the myth busting. What do I mean by myth busting? Let me form it in kind. Let me just give it to you in a question. Are albino rats weak or abnormal? Are they weak or abnormal? Well, many people believe albino rats to be weak or to be abnormal. Well, that is not true. Albinism only affects pigmentation. It does not affect your organs, your intelligence, or your bodily system functions. No. Your organs, intelligence, and everything is normal, functions normally. The only thing it affects is the pigmentation. While they may have sensitive eyesight, well, looking at the labs and everything and how they're constructed, that is a well-managed condition. So those are the 6 reasons that I can give for now on why albino rats are used. I didn't want us to just proceed and talk about this and this about albino rats, but you can easily stop and be like, but why do they use them? Why not other animals? Why not the other kind of rats? So those are the reasons that I can give for now. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, follow, like, share, and if you want to get to know more about albino rats, please, Divine Family Farm is the place to go. check us out.